Meaning. Juxtapose, verb, means to place two or more things side by side, often for the purpose of highlighting contrasts or comparisons. Pronunciation. Juxtapose is pronounced as juxtapose. Origin. The word juxtapose originates from the Latin word juxta meaning next to and the French word poser meaning to place. It first appeared in English in the mid-19th century. Figure of speech. Juxtapose is a verb. It is often used in a literary or artistic context to describe the act of placing two elements in contrast to each other. Usage in a sentence. The artist decided to juxtapose light and dark colors to create a striking contrast in the painting. In her essay, she juxtaposed the ideas of freedom and responsibility to highlight their complex relationship. Subscribe to Vocabtoon for a new English word a day. Let's embark on this journey together. Bye-bye.